In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email customers from Shopify. We'll walk through two essentials: updating your automated order emails and sending a one-off email directly to a customer. By the end, you'll be comfortable adjusting the wording. Customers see in their order notifications and reaching out manually when you need a personal touch. First, open your Shopify store and head to Settings. From there, select Notifications. This is the hub for all the automated messages Shopify sends on your behalf, like order confirmations and shipping updates. Choose the order notification you want to refine and edit the text. Keep your tone consistent with your brand, make the message clear and friendly, and avoid removing any dynamic placeholders you see in the text, such as variables that automatically pull in a customer's name or order number. Those placeholders ensure the right details appear for each customer. It helps to read your changes out loud to confirm the flow and check for typos. When you're satisfied, your adjustments will apply to the selected notification, so future customers receive the updated wording. Now, let's cover how to manually send an email to a specific customer from within Shopify. Go to Customers in your admin, find and select the customer you want to email. On their profile, click the email option to open the message window. Type your message in a straightforward, helpful voice. Be specific about what you're addressing, whether it's an order update, a question you're answering, or a follow-up after a purchase. Keep paragraphs short so it's easy to read on mobile, and make sure any key details, like an order number or next steps, are clearly stated. When your message looks good, click Review Email to preview how it will appear to the customer. This is your chance to catch formatting issues, confirm the tone, and ensure everything is accurate. If everything looks right, click Send Email. A few quick best practices as you work. Keep brand voice consistent across both automated and manual emails, make your call to action clear, and always proofread. For automated order notifications, your goal is to set accurate expectations and reduce support questions. For manual emails, aim to be concise, friendly, and solution-focused. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to edit Shopify's order notifications for a polished on-brand experience and how to manually email a customer when you need a direct line of communication. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.